We'll guide you through how to blur specific area in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to blur specific area in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to identify later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, click File from the top menu to import the media you want to use. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. For example, choose the image you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the image onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This image will serve as the base where you will apply the blur effect. Once the image is placed on the timeline, go to the Effects panel, which contains various video effects that you can apply to your media. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Gaussian Blur to quickly locate the effect. When the Gaussian Blur effect appears in the search results, drag the effect onto the image layer in the timeline to apply it. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Scroll down through the available controls until you find the Gaussian Blur section. In this section, you can define which part of the image will be blurred. For example, use the Ellipse Mask to select the specific area you want to blur. Once the mask is applied, adjust the size and position of the mask directly in the program monitor so it covers the exact area you want to affect. Adjust the blurriness value according to your needs to control the intensity of the blur effect. Increase the value for a stronger blur or decrease it for a more subtle effect. Continue refining the mask and blur settings until the result looks clean, natural, and visually balanced.